Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to be testing out my squishy vending machine. So guys, this is how it works. So if you guys want, you guys can pause and read it. But yeah, without further ado, let's get started. So first of all, you're going to be needing some squishies. So I just open it up and then I like to put my squishies down. Yeah. Got my squishy right in there. Just invisible quarter. There. And now you're just gonna wanna make sure that this thing is up. And then you're just gonna wanna pull, put it back in, turn the knob, and then claim your prize. Yay! I'm gonna try it again. But this time I'm going to try it with like a lot of squishies, but I doubt it that it would work. I don't know why, but I just doubt it. Here I'm just going to add like a lot of squishies in here. Just got all these squishies. Now let's see if it works. Oh, it's not working. Okay. Oh my god, it's not even turning. Yeah, I think this was kind of a fail. Oh no, I think we're still good. Yay, 3-in-1. And guys, by the way, I am gonna be selling this little vending machine for $10 on my wish.com little site. And yeah, guys, I'm just joking, I'm not selling it. I don't know why I just said that, but yeah. And guys, there's gonna be at least 5 more squishy videos to go because I'm ordering almost 80 squishies are on their way here, I guess. And yeah, I think 80 squishies are not going to be able to fit in here because it's kind of already filled. So I'll put notifications from reaction time. Dun 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 dun. Well, that's all for today's video. In my next video, I'm going to be doing... Sorry, it's going to take forever. I'm going to be doing a DIY, kind of like squishy storage box out of this little box, which got like random stuff in it. Oh yeah, and by the way, my 200 subscriber giveaway, like I said, I'm going to be giving away that tail cookie, plus an extra, it's just going to be this little stress ball. Changes color from orange to green. So yeah, now I'm just going to color everything in here. Ew! Ew. That's from like Easter. Oh my god, I thought. Oh my god, on the night of Halloween, I saw like a killer clown. Oh, I was born this way. Same with like this wrapping paper too. So I'm probably just gonna like wrap all my squishies in there to like probably make a spoof video. So yeah. Clear, nice and big box. Probably gonna put my favorite squishies. But yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video, which is gonna be in like less than a half an hour. So yeah, see you DIY makeup lovers in my next video. Bye, peoples. It's not pressing.